What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So obviously from the intro you can see my truck comes without a diesel cap, and honestly I've never, as I said, this is a week owning a diesel truck, almost 2 weeks, and a lot of things are a little bit strange to me, but a cap didn't come with this, and this DEF cap is pretty corroded and shitty. So I started doing a little bit of research. I see guys on YouTube getting these cheap caps at like $10 to $13 or whatever the case might be. This specific set is made for this truck. If your truck has 3 of these inserts in here, then this is the kit that you got to get, that I'm going to show you right now. It's from a company called Doka. I'm going to list it in the description. You can get it on Amazon, and I literally ordered this yesterday and I got it next day. The stuff is beautifully anodized. The cool thing about this diesel cap, it has the slits for those notches that come in the tank. It's also very heavy and magnetic, okay? And then they give you another a DEF cap right here with the insert to put in, so it doesn't fall out and you lose it. And they give you an extra bag. I have it over here. It actually has an extra gasket in it over here. I just put the screwdriver on it so it won't fly away. But I just want to show you, this is a very, very, very quick video. And this insert right here, it was in this hole. I don't know if you can see it. It was in that hole right there. All you gotta do is just pull it out, take this out, just put it on the grass over there, and make sure you clean inside here properly, okay? And then you can just insert that DEF cap, that insert right in that same hole that you took it out from. Okay, so it's inserted in there. So now that's one. Okay, that's one right there. And now number 2. This goes literally straight on where you see diesel only, literally straight. Now it doesn't just fall in there. Guess what? All you do is you give it a little smidge of a turn, and that's it. And it's not going to come out. Now once you're pumping gas, take it out, stick it right here, and you're straight, so you're not going to lose the cap. Over here it's a little bit weak because this plastic, but right here, just leave it right here and you're straight. Again, just put it in like this, match up the inserts, and a little meow, and that's it. So guys, I'm gonna list it in the description. Definitely like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think, okay? And I'll talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.